Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kajingakun persyayu Drok kadang klan cu hakaba Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ba Lyngdoh hene kesengi ulai kendu bat yatai sani baha bat kinong yalam shnong jigi shpotli kishnong ki baha popo ke West Shillong constituency. Ke Deputy Commissioner jaga East Khasi Hills District USB ke East Khasi Hills ki officer na Ketenat baper bat kibai ke layo dan lang. Habakran bikinok tok kubor ba Lyngdoh loong Bakilah keren kumnuban penong ikinong yalam shnong mendan benta hakaban yakun persyayu Drok. Laya thuru banak liang jigi padba kilap men pentip jigi pulit lingbau number iwei ar lada kilap ikibri bedan keti hakaban khayi Drok. Kawai pat kamat kaba kia keren kalong halor ke jinglat jamin kibri kiba khayi Drok na kabenta kani ke sorkar kala thawi ke advisory board ban pej halor kani matna kaliang ketenat pulit kan pa iki kerteng syakani ke board makin pej benia. Ulaong ru baka sorkar kan haban pengklan bah kenang begitu gi badan keti kan haban syang patok laisnem. Syu na kaliang ba pol ulaong man pendu yu Drok dewan sedang man pendu na kejaga ke baklan bah ke jing khayi yu Drok. Lai thu ru baka East Khasi Hills ke de ke Banyngkong jo ke Jingdon kiki sabaya de bat Drok nang ta ke East Giant Hills pat ke Rehabilitation district. Na kaliang menteri ulaban rap ru ba ke dan kam ya ke jinge trailang mat kisnong ki thau bat kenturu i kisnong ban pentip lada dan kibri ki bangop hau niu jingdi kenang ba ke sorkar kan la bane ke badan kam kata ban ajing sumare ki haki Rehabilitation Center ki bala bay pisada ke sorkar jilla kelam kanu ke jinglut.
Jungle West Shillong constituency. Ke Jingdon ya implementation ya key steps dan contain dapat control ya ke Hima jengkai dia drugs di kat kenang ya ke Stakeholder ke Jingdon nama kami ke constituency ke hotspots yang mereka drug trafficking di kejingikan ya kepada dan borok dan lalu responsible district senior district bagi officers juga social welfare department tunjuk nak legal home department secretary home tidak kabinet ini tidak syuting mission director contohnya dream project di kijinyakan kalau kita sesok kita melayar shibun books lagi shnong di briefly di book kalau points mereka dari buka kalau kita kalau ulo bangun institutionalize ya kejingisim benta jadi dalam passion kebabut bakin long ke benta jong kanika dream mission ya kepada policy statement on benda bagi dia bagi stakeholders dia ada impact ya ke statement ini telah kensyai community engagement through village health councils dia ngirangnya berhak constitute institutionalized not the council kabar kalau melakukan tip group yang ke polis terhadap dan di Jingdon jong ke jing subai Jingdon jong beliau kepada drugs kadang ke emergency number 112 sispak A yang kita kelak baik-baik phone but nanti lagi polis kita ke badan kam kaba lai ke badan kam bah kalau jom ke jegan kalau ni bagi dan dibun beliau kita syakam tambah hilai no keluar dari nak benda jom kini di ladap kumbala untuk menangani di ladapan constitute ya kini advisory board apa jangka NDPS let's add but kini ke advisory board dah bagi tahu ya ka kawan ba ki case jong kini offenders borok we put up ki case jong ki but police can forward hiki ketek cakap advisory aban sedang na ndru benai pada hari ndru benai kini ke advisory board ke syong ban review hiki case di kabamut bagi hapan klaim bahai hiki case kenang ba kini ki offenders kila benlek hadu license apa juga detention kebesau kalau ba ke ingin propose lu ba lengkap ba police department ba Jingdon ki rule ki bakam long stringent bakam ting apa jong kini ke act kenang ba kanum don ke harassment ki brio ki balik ki witness dan ki complainant
sekarang bon mah menyuruh pipet yang kajing kurup yang kisah na ya kekiat kalau orang ke involvement yang Drok sakanya ke last election kalau orang heavy bah how will you fight lelaki dan kita diberi kemudian ketipan
ni long committed pan ni pun but ngingat ke community ke chat bendera kisnong kita berok long committed nama ni UI ya ke jinjot jong ke imlang salang limba jong ke ni ke jingma ti bat benda ki snong kum benda ke ski kiwan hoda pa snong menin kiwan ki seng sana golf links ke bomot kiwan syakhmat ni maki ban terwa ya ke jing kersyam akan ni jing de nak kata ngan nomlong ban du jik ban in mla
tapi kubur dan bekodon buat kerja penuh kami yang kata ni diberi berkon election
ya kata ngan nomla ban om EA nomor ke information ke bang ayo kam biang kan bangan juga kan
so Bakpol today's meeting
start from hotspot and West Shillong is a hotspot.
What is the data available with your department? How many drugs users and how many so far drug peddlers have been arrested from this constituency?
Police department has shared all information with us. It was done on a district-wise basis. So East Khasi Hills figures are 88. The highest number of cases is East Khasi Hills, followed by East Jingdon Hills and Rehabilitation district.
Bakpol have been identified the plan of action apart from involvement in the community.
Banyngkong kalau Banyngkong kami ya ke community participation. Kelem ke jingnya trailang jong ke community, ketika kami kan poi shamu tu nilai ke jing job jong ke jing kuni akan pandemik dan baga community participation. Banyngkong dua kali kata. Kabar ke approach ni kalau multi pronged. Ini penseluruh ya islam bakin intip teknologi adik penilak bagi hak iki syaki di addiction center nanta ya ini di center ki jongi ki bani dan hasilom ki dan artli ki bani ai free treatment ka bekentuk nadu bani shaw iki ni ye bat bagi ai kebam ki sumar berkat ka kan dan kejemput dengan joki ini di center kita ikut ni ke Kripa Foundation di Addiction Center The Boys nanti nak serang mau ke siang nanti kita KJPA New Hope di Addiction Center mau ke siang nanti kita dulu hajawai pada nonstop.
Bakpol, you mentioned that
drug related cases.
okay, are they considered as the hotspot as well?
Yes. The hotspots we have identified in terms of villages.
How many villages?
Information is here.
Bakpol advisory board ni Bakpol. Jika menyo kedun kelapan hari ni ke
Kami kibre
kanong pula de awara ako advisory board. Kanong teliti case bagi police kila register for PITS and the PS Act.
Pending cases kita directly ka status chungki
Kanong lang ako ka PITS and the PS.
para attack
issue detention order likely yes. Tangga kita ki checklist kita ki harus maintain dan kin bila kami ki makin there is so many proposal strictly as per the checklist because it has to be very accurate and there should not be any mistake because the order given under this NDPS Act by the authority notified the government, which is me, will have to go to the advisory board of the roads. So that's why we have put in a detailed checklist, and the police will be in the next few days will be resubmitting these proposals, and we will then look into issuing the detention order.
These 9 cases are East Khasi or different districts?
Yes, if I'm not mistaken, I don't recall, but maximum of these cases are from East Khasi.
Five cases. Five cases. And the act by the NDPS Act, we have already constituted. So, if you can show more information.
So I don't recall the name for the retired judge, if I'm not mistaken, channel number, and there are 2 other members, 3.
It's 3 number 4.
The role of to review the detention order issued by the authority.
Bapal, apart from of merely kind of sort of rehabilitation center, because they can identify who are these drugs users. I mean, is there any plan to such plan?
Yes, that is part of the dream mission. As I said, we are very serious on tackling this menace, which is why these meetings have been taking place almost every week, and we are serious about coming up with new rules to make them more stringent. These rules will of course have to be go to the cabinet before they are brought to the before they are approved.
So if the government has the plan, so will the government also fund these Dorpashman in assisting them in setting up such?
Yes, we have that in mind. Most important for us is the support of the ministry, which comes through funding on a 90-10 basis. But yes, we have plans, and we are also very concerned that a number of these users actually refuse to go for any treatment. So we, which is why we have engaged with all stakeholders, including religious leaders and today community leaders.
Bapak, you mentioned
Imam Sikul Kawaimu, government kadang plan take action.
Dan Mentan DC, SP di Khasi Hills lah itu bagi London ide wala de kem wala thandu de kajing ide but ganja lasis ila ai mereka amount Mentan de untuk heroin, tobacco, cannabis dan inhalants. London.
Emang kan mau kerja kadang bergerak kerja kan yang biasa posted di kantang especially East Khasi si
East Khasi itu.
Mana tiba juga yang serving kan kerja kadang
So as far as concern is concerned, police department have informed that in the last meeting we had with the ministry that in Meghalaya we don't have this condition identified. It means information has not come to the police. That is why maybe they have not done the raids till then. Because where ganja is planted by whom, that information has not yet come to the police.
The entire endeavor of the government is to first minimize the impact and the extent of drug usage, and ultimately we will come to a point where Lyngdoh will become drug.
Bapal, you mentioned about something about state level committee headed by CM to meet immediately. You can tell us details on that.
Yeah, this whole mission is under a state level committee headed by the Chief Minister. Minister in charge of social welfare is part of the state level group, and this group is yet to meet, but hopefully we should be in a position to meet immediately. We call it a state mission steering group, and the role of this group is to approve the annual state and district plan, because at the district level we also have these groups to be headed by the respective DCs. Review implementation of plans and related outcome, suggest any mid-course correction that may be required in the implementation of the mission, ensure effective convergence of policy and administration among different departments, approve recommendations for appointment of consultants or experts and functionaries on contractual basis for carrying out the activities under the mission. Any other matter with policy implications affecting the status of drug menace in the state, and at the district level, a district mission steering group will be constituted, headed by the DCs.
Inspection by way of policy making. Nang yalam snong jing kabakutan pau kabakima tam pada hakor bayo ban kurup ini house snong but jing ajung tapi ban hai ta
Kejing kaba bundu hi kalong bagi drop loss ki long looking ba but ba kimla ban maki ba kini dan kini kem hi ubre ki hakan information ay police tigran gi por bakadan ka gak preng ke jing khot ki police ba ubre like nam te bakum kita te nak terkadau but address the issue berapa ingin dapat institutionalize but kita dari kawai ni objectives trong ketiga mission but institutionalize ya di community nan ba kinyo organisasi benta but ba ni sustain ni